Hey guys, so starting off with my stainless cup, I had already prepped it, just painting some kind of swirly line on there with this really pretty rustic pink. Then going in with vintage blush. I kind of did like an ombre situation just on the bottom of the swirl. And this cup was white, so if you have a stainless cup, you would want to paint it white first. But since it was already white, I didn't have to do that. So then just kind of taking the white again, and just layering those three colors until I was happy with how this kind of swirl turned out. So then taking my glitter in filter, this is just a super fine glitter. It's like a really beautiful like white silvery shade, and what I usually do with this is just put a little bit in the epoxy and put it all over the cup. But for this one, I wanted to put it all over the cup, kind of like a cheat glitter, and just have where you can see that blush tone peeking through and like the kind of swirl with the white. And this glitter is just so pretty. I will link it down below, but it is made with real silver and it is just stunning. So you can see more after I put this layer of epoxy. This is just the artistry. I believe this was the fast set, but you can kind of see the color coming through once there's wet epoxy on top of the glitter. It was just so pretty. So while that was still wet, I took, this is Whitecap from my beach collection in the medium cut. So I kind of just followed the white line with the white glitter. And then this is Golden Hour, also from the beach collection. And I kind of just sprinkled this on the sides of it. Then I felt like I just went overboard with the gold, so I ended up wiping that all off the cup. I just was not happy with it, so I wiped it all off. It was still kind of sticky from the epoxy, so just going back in with some of that Whitecap glitter. Then this is the Whitecap Chunky Mix. Then taking Golden Hour again. So then once that was dry, doing another layer of the epoxy. Then this was for my good friend Kenya. She loves just kind of pinky blush tones, so I thought this would be perfect for her. And I cut her name out in the rose gold vinyl and just kind of put that on there. And then somehow I accidentally sent her a picture of leopard print when I was trying to send it to someone else, and she was just like, oh, I love that. And she didn't know I was making her a cup, so I was like, okay, since she loves leopard print, I gotta add it on this cup. I originally wasn't going to, but I thought, why not just add some metallic leopard print on the sides of her name? So just putting that decal on there. So I just kind of cut around the leopard print to kind of fit around the name better. So just kind of placing that where I want it and putting that on. Then another layer of the epoxy. So then I'm just taking some of my wave white to add the kind of little white spots here and there. I just kind of put it on randomly, and then I use an embossing gun to kind of blow and move that around a little bit. But I just really wanted to give it that kind of Milky Way effect. So then I did one more coat of epoxy and this cup was done. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.